Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to discuss things you never learn about finance. Despite years of formal education, many individuals enter adulthood unprepared for real-world financial challenges. This video explores the essential financial principles that are rarely taught in schools but are critical to achieving long-term financial independence. From mindset shifts and budgeting basics to investment strategies and the psychology of wealth, this video presents a comprehensive guide to understanding money. Its aim is to empower a global audience with practical knowledge and awareness of money's true role in life. In a world where education is often equated with success, it's surprising how little emphasis is placed on financial literacy. Students learn complex equations, historical events, and literature analysis, but rarely how to balance a budget, manage debt, or invest for the future. This oversight has far-reaching consequences. According to a global financial literacy survey by Standard & Poor's, only 33% of adults worldwide are financially literate. The goal of this video is to shed light on the vital lessons about money that most people never learn in school and offer a roadmap for financial empowerment. 1. The psychology of money. It starts with the mindset. Money is more than just numbers, it's deeply emotional and psychological. Our early experiences with money, usually shaped by our families, significantly influence how we earn, spend, and save. Scarcity versus abundance mindset. People with a scarcity mindset believe resources are limited and often fear losing money. In contrast, an abundance mindset encourages seeing money as a tool for growth and opportunity. Emotional spending. Understanding the emotional triggers behind spending habits is crucial. Many individuals use shopping to cope with stress or self-worth issues, leading to debt and regret. 2. Budgeting and cash flow management. The foundation of financial literacy lies in managing cash flow, knowing how much money is coming in and going out. The 50-30-20 rule, a popular budgeting method, allocating 50% of income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. Tracking expenses. Digital tools like Mint, In-App, You Need a Budget, or simple spreadsheets can help individuals monitor their spending patterns and make informed decisions. Emergency funds, a critical yet often ignored element of budgeting. Financial advisors recommend setting aside 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses for emergencies. 3. The truth about debt. Debt, if unmanaged, can become a lifelong burden. However, not all debt is bad. Good debt versus bad debt. Good debt, like student loans or mortgages, can contribute to long-term asset building. Bad debt, such as high-interest credit cards, often funds depreciating items and leads to financial strain. Credit scores, a key indicator of financial health, yet few people understand how credit scores work or how to maintain them. Debt snowball versus avalanche methods. 2 effective strategies for paying off debt, depending on whether one prefers quick wins or long-term savings. 4. Investing, the power of compound interest. One of the most powerful financial concepts is compound interest, where earnings are reinvested to generate even more earnings. Start early. Even small investments made early in life can grow exponentially over time. Diversification. Spreading your investments across different asset classes, like stocks, bonds, and real estate, can help reduce risk. Long-term strategy. Investing is not about timing the market but time in the market. 5. Building multiple income streams. Relying solely on a single source of income is risky in today's volatile economy. Active versus passive income. Active income requires ongoing work, like a salary, while passive income, like dividends or rental income, continues with minimal effort. Side hustles and entrepreneurship. The internet has made it easier than ever to monetize skills and hobbies. Freelancing, digital products, and online businesses offer new avenues for income. 6. Financial protection and risk management. An often overlooked but essential component of financial health is protecting what you've built. Insurance. Health, life, and asset insurance are safety nets that can prevent financial disasters. Estate planning. Wills and trusts are vital for ensuring that one's assets are managed according to their wishes. Financial scams. In a digital world, awareness of financial fraud and identity theft is more important than ever. 7. Money and relationships. Financial issues are a leading cause of stress in relationships. Open communication. Couples should discuss money openly to align on goals and avoid misunderstandings. Shared goals versus individual freedom. A balance must be struck between collective responsibility and personal autonomy in spending. Financial literacy is not a luxury, it is a necessity. What they never taught you about money could very well be the most important knowledge for your future. By embracing a growth mindset, learning practical money skills, and staying financially aware, individuals can break cycles of debt, build wealth, and live more empowered lives. It's never too late to start learning, and the best investment you can make is in your own financial education.